lots of paperwork. We have a checklist, and with this checklist we can see all the documents that we should receive, and then we check by it that everything's fine. We finished our briefing now. My colleague Antonia and I looked at the weather, NOTAMs, technical status of the airplane, and this is the suggested fuel for the flight, with trip fuel en route 5% contingency in case we get a different level, different winds and things like that. Alternate fuel, final reserve, which is for the last 30 minutes of holding at the alternate airport. Some additional company fuel, which is extra fuel we would like to take in case we expect delays or things like that. And taxi fuel. So we start our walk around check. I will guide you through some major points. We start from the nose. Look at the nose gear. We check that the spray deflector is okay. This is special for MD80 because at certain speeds during takeoff, the spray from the wheels goes over the wing, if you can take a picture over there, and directly into the engine. So this is why it's important to have this. And after that, we look at the nose, the radome, the sensors for the airspeed and other aerodynamic sensors. Taxi lights. This is a very interesting detail on the MD80 because it helps to control the airplane at smaller speeds. One interesting thing for MD80 series of airplanes is the flight controls, which are not hydraulically operated, they are operated aerodynamically. We have these tabs which are moved by the trimmer and by the control wheel, and they create aerodynamic force on the aileron, and then the entire aileron moves. So we actually fly the airplane, which is 45 meters long, only with our own power of hands. Oj. Molim? Aha. So, welcome aboard. This is the aft part. We have a special designed evacuation path over here. And in case of emergency, the passengers are exiting through here, and the tail cone of the airplane will fall down, and the emergency slide will deploy, and the passengers will evacuate through this part. This is a very interesting solution because it's impossible to evacuate passengers like on the airplanes which have engines on the wings. We have engines over here, so this is also one way.
Runway 30 for exit.
Może. Okay, that was the last one.
So zero fuel mass. 109.6.
Bordeaux via flight plan route, flight level 150. When able, turn right, visually direct to another, squawk 6564. To right 154, correct report for dispatch.
154 will call.
Dubrovnik, dao je Dubrovnik.
Power check. Right heading select to 6 climb thrust. Set EOS 250. EOS 250 set.
Check. Sorry, Dubrovnik, radar Dubrovnik 157, climbing.